All right, we're heading out to the lake. We're gonna prime some Volvo Penta diesels that ran out of fuel.
I was talking to Ricky at the boat ramp, and he asked if I could get a ride down there. I'm a technician down there.
I didn't see anybody on the dock, but I think you might have been on putting the boat on it. Okay. No worries. I got.
Put that right there.
I can swim if I have to.
Thank you. That was way faster. Carrying like 80 pounds of tools.
You need help carrying it down to the dock?
Yeah, I would love that. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you got it.
What's your name, man?
I'm Josh.
Jesse. Nice to meet you, Josh. Can I step on the edge, Ricky?
Yeah,
okay. All right. So we just got dropped off. This boat's been in a video before and on my story. So today is a new issue, right? We did all the batteries before. Everything was good. This time he ran out of diesel. So here's your primers, right? So you're just gonna depress these. Do a quick bleeder crack here. Oh, we definitely got some air. Oh, mama, I hear it. All right, so we want to make sure we're getting a solid stream here. The primer's getting nice and tight on us. We'll go a little while just to make sure there's no air in the system. We're gonna jump into this engine, repeat the process, and let these run for a few minutes. We'll make sure everything's good, and then we'll head out of here. Oh, son of a bitch. All right, well, that's a wrap. I'm running out of battery power. I can see my dinghy way off in the distance, so we're good to go. I'm sure I'll be back out here again. Later.